This station rules the nation.
Yeah, Superman, we just run a little trucker, Wilson Trucker 2000 and
Nevada 753, you copy 232 Texas.
232 making noise in my video gate. Hey, 232, you just cleaned out my radio on the Big Apple. 911 waving.
Hey, Roger, 911. Well, I'll tell you what, you're destroying everybody else after you send them.
how about 753? How about 753 for mine? You copy 854, go.
There goes 854 jumping up and down looking for you. I just wanted to jump in and say hello, let you know you sounded good in my video gate in the Big Apple. 911 New York City, we listening.
You're looking for condition. All right, 911, appreciate the holler there, shout, and you have a good one out there. I think y'all been getting some bad weather. I hope it gets better for you there. 232 Texas on the side.
It's just been a little cold, but it ain't been that bad, 213. It ain't been that bad out there, but thanks a lot, no doubt about it. 911 New York City with the video game rolling, let's go.
How about Mr. Green? How about Mr. Green for the Evergreen? 854, Mariposa Mobile, waving.
Hey, 854, you making noise in the Big Apple. 854, 911 New York, waving.
Oh, 911 New York, sounded good down here, no doubt. Had a good time at station yourself, no doubt about it. 854,
Sound 4, no doubt about it. 854, I just wanted to let you know you sounding good in my video gate in the Big Apple trees. That barefoot mobile's doing its thing. 911 New York with the wave.
Alright, 911 from the Big Apple. Take care of that. Have a good one. We definitely heard you in there, no doubt about it. 854.
And 4, no doubt about it. 854 and that barefoot mobile in the Lone Star State. 911 New York City, we listening. And 4, no doubt about it. Superman, New Jersey, I definitely got you in there. A little bit on the low side, but I think your beam is pointed in the other direction. Superman, 911, waving.
Hello, XY. I believe you said XYZ, but I'm going to check it out and know what time it is. I'm kidding. Okay, I'll keep looking for it. Demon, audio.
A whole lot of audio in the Big Apple. 911 New York, waving.
Around the Big Apple tree. 911, one wire right there.
One wire, sounding a whole lot of good in New York City. One wire around Jamaica. 911 New York, waving.
Hey, 911, were you on 27515 yesterday? Well, just for your information, I'm not in Jamaica. I'm in Antigua, over.
10-4 in the Antigua, no doubt about it. One wire, I got you in there. No, I was not on 515 yesterday. I kind of stay between 20 and 28 there. It faded out there. Always good to hear one wire in my radio in New York City. A one wire, 911 New York with the video gate rolling. Mother Nature's dibbing and dabbing. Mother Nature's dibbing and dabbing. One wire. Hey, one wire. 911 New York City. Say we catch you on the flip. Oh, we got you that time, one wire. We got the beginning of that time, one wire. You sounded good in my video gate in the Big Apple. 911 New York City, waving. We didn't come out here so we can make some noise around DX land. 911 around the apple trees just got down.
If I don't got the best condition, I can't hear what's going on. I can't hear nobody talk. Hello, snowman, one wire right back.
Conditions are shining in Antigua now. Conditions are shining in Antigua now. That one wire sounding like a local in my radio. 911, we listening.
Hey, 911, I try to do the best I can with this home brew. Hey, 911, I try to do the best I can with this home brew. V-Quad. Hello, Mr. 911, it'll be on the tree. One piece of wire on this 3-element home brew. V-Quad. The price of 955 getting on that.
I heard it all because you said it all. You said the 3-element V-Quad and the Striker 955 making all the noise in my video gate in New York City. 911 New York with the wave. Well, it's working over here. I got you nice and loud on my 911 transmitter in New York. 911 New York City with the video gate rolling.
I just a reggae, bust you down.
Uh-oh, one wire singing. Now they got one wire singing out there in Antigua. One wire, we still copying your mail. 911, we listening.
8911, 8911, 8911, 8911, big up a tree, you roger. 8911, big up a tree, you roger. Wire, don't know the card and don't know the loud and tell them they approve. Big up to them. Big up the speed. You better prepare cause the building don't gone at the go. But your era 911 when the action happens.
One wire, big up, one wire. 911 New York City with the video gate rolling. Hey, one wire, make sure you go on the YouTube and type in your name. One wire Antigua. One wire Antigua. I'm gone.
Hello, 101 around Virginia. Appreciate it. Come back and see the way to start it. Hello, Mr. 101 around Virginia while you're working your baby station. I got down.
One wire, make sure you go to the YouTube. One wire, make sure you type your name. One wire Antigua. 911 gone.
Hey, 911. Hey, 911. here, don't see you over there, man. Don't see you away. 21 feet in the ear, on a beer for the striker. Hey, 101. Tell my homeboy 29, I say good morning, good morning, good morning. Bye-bye. All right, 929, we got you out here in Texas. 929-450 with the lead.
Hello, 450. Hello, 450 911 New York, waving. That was a whole bunch of bees are buzzing in my receive right there. 911, Big Apple Trees, waving a hand around the band.
Come back, 911. Down here in Texas.
Bunch of y'all coming in there now.
Who's that, 450? A whole bunch of Texas stations jumping up and down. It's hard to make it out. 911, New York City, waving right back. And Mobile in Texas is making noise in New York City. That Mobile in Texas is making noise in the Big Apple Trees. 911, waving. Jaybird and that Mobile. That Mobile is definitely working in the Big Apple Trees. 911 New York City with the video gate rolling.
Got it on 911. Appreciate the shout out. 308, back copy in the mail.
308, 308, and more 308. 911 New York City. We listening. East Texas. I just heard some East Texas shouting my numbers out there. 911 New York City, waving right back. A little rough and tough. Well, Texas is stepping on each other. Everybody in Texas is stepping on each other. I can only hear one at a time. 911 New York City, waving.
Yeah, good boy. He's trying to give the Lone Star. You got shot at 1212. I'm pulling the street back.
Shadow, no doubt about it. I got you in there, Shadow. Sounding good in the Big Apple Trees. 911 New York, waving. Those are the only numbers I can make out right about there. 450 911 Big Apple with the wave. And 450 definitely got you jumping up in my video gate. 450 911 New York, we listening.
Hello there, my friend 911. Well, it's been a while since I got to talk to you, buddy. Hey, 911 up here in the Big Apple Trees in New York. 193 half-breed down here waving at you, breaker.
Yep, 10-4, man. I've been reading your mail for a few minutes now, half-breed. You sounding like you in New York City. Jumping up in my video gate all up in the strawberry patch. 911 in the Big Apple Trees. We waving right back.
Roger on that, my friend 911. Roger on that, my friend 911. Top of the day to you, my friend. God bless you. Till I talk to you again. 193 half-breed, the black gold, back quiet.
And 4, no doubt about it. 193 in the black gold. 911, Big Apple Trees. We on the side. We 10-10 till we do it again. Hello, around New Mexico. Chicago around New Mexico. 911 New York City, waving.
410 911 New York City. 8 ball out of New Mexico. We wait a 4 people down. How you say this going on? Bye. You ever found one?
F4, 8 ball out of New Mexico. Sounding good in my video game in New York City. 911 smoking these apple trees just got down.
With the 420, right? Dotty to everybody. You got 8 ball. 10-7, be back in about an hour or so.
10-4, happy 420. Happy 420, no doubt about it. Roll them if you got them. 911 sending these smoke signals down your way and I'm gone. 1025 in Colorado, sounding good in the Big Apple. 1025, 911 New York, waving.
Numbers changed there, 911. Good to hear you out there once again. And gotta thank you again. Thanks for all the gifts that you've been putting out there. It's definitely enjoyable. 911 New York, 1025 Colorado.
10-4, 1025, happy 420 out there in Colorado. 911 New York City. We gonna join the Mile High Club and I'm gone. On top of the rock, 911 New York City, we reading the mail.
1025, 10,000 feet, Colorado Rockies, and I'm back off the key.
10-4 on that, Mother Nature doing a little bobbing and weaving, playing a little double dutch out there. 1025 in Colorado, I heard it all because you said it all that time. 911 Big Apple Trees, waving.
Keep doing what you're doing there, 911. Like I said, your gifts are appreciated, no doubt. 1025, top of the rock, Colorado, gone.
How about it? 1205, 1025, 614 with the New York wave.
There's you out there, 614. I gotta answer my phone, I'll be back in just a minute. 1025, Colorado, standing by, 10 seconds.
Right there, right back, no doubt, with the wave.
Yeah, they're just leaving real bad, it's no doubt. Yeah, especially with that old boy cooking up raw foods too.
Hello, Snake Doctor, 911 Big Apple. Hey, Snake Doctor, 911 waving.
Hey, 911, trying to get up on my radio, 911, you're blowing smoke signals on my radio, 911.
No doubt about it, Snake Doctor. Good to hear you in my video game, Snake Doctor, 911 waving.
Ready, 911, I just got you on the edge of the meter, so maybe you'll come up stronger today. Hey, we'll slow away right back to you, 911, bye-bye.
No doubt about it. I heard you in there a little bit earlier. It was a little rough and tough. I wanted to make sure that I get you in my video game today. Snake Doctor, happy 420, 911 New York. I'm gone. And just like that, Mother Nature giveth and Mother Nature taketh away. New York City, we 10-10 till we do it again.
911, 10-10, we do it again. I'll try to roll up in there one more time. Sorry, but I got buried in your radio.
That's 4, no doubt about it, Snake Doctor. Happy 420 down your way. Blaze them and don't waste them. 911, Big Apple Trees, waving.
Hey, Shaq, is this thing overmodulated or sound alright?
Sounds good in my video gate, Snake Doctor. It sounds good in my video gate in the Big Apple. You already know. 911, waving.
Alright, you got it. I'll see if I can figure it out.
It sounds clean and pristine in my video gate, Snake Doctor. 911, say don't touch nothing. I'm gone.
I'm working on my modulation here. I'll be back with you. Bye-bye, 911.
1-4, Snake Doctor. We listening.
I got the holler in